So with frequency diagrams, we always need to remember the formula. The frequency equals the interval width times the frequency density. If we're trying to work out frequency densities and we have the frequency and the interval width, it's the frequency divided by the interval width that will give us the frequency density. So to complete the diagram, we need to place a scale on the vertical axis. So if we start off with our first frequency of 30 and our interval width of 30, that will give me a frequency density of 1. If I come down to the other scores, I've got 40 divided by 20, giving me a frequency density of 2, and I've got 18 divided by 30. That's 18 over 30, the interval bit there is 30, so we'll quickly work out 18 over 30. If we divide both by 3, that's 6 over 10. So it comes to 0.6. So if we look at the 100 to 130, then we're going to place the 1 there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So if we now use the histogram to complete the table, if we look between 130 and 150, we are at 4.2 on the frequency density. So we've got 4.2 frequency density, and we multiply that by the interval width, which is times 20. And that will give me a frequency of 84. So that's a frequency density read from the scale times the interval width to give me the frequency. So that gives me 84. I'll put that in there. If we now go to the 150 to 160, that lines up with 6, and that's 6 times 10. So we've got, so the frequency will equal the interval width is 10. 10 times, we read the frequency density off, is 6, and so the frequency is 60. So we have calculated the frequency densities for the 160 to 180 as 2, so we simply draw across from the 2 to the 180. I'll rub out the bit we don't need. That's my one. Okay, so that's the frequency density of 2, and then I need to go to 0.6 and take across to 210. So 210 is going to be halfway between 200 and 220. And we come across from 3 squares, because there's 5 squares making 1. That's not very good. Wipe that out, try and do a thinner line for you. So 3 squares coming across, and we'll just tidy that up. And there we have the histogram complete.